At first glance, this doesn't even look like a vehicle. It looks like a cozy wooden cabin straight out of a countryside dream. But this is actually the 2026 wooden tiny home on wheels, and once you step inside, everything you thought about mobile living completely changes. The exterior instantly pulls you in with its soft curves and timeless design. The pastel-toned body combined with wooden accents gives it a handcrafted, premium feel. Not flashy, not futuristic, but warm, calm, and inviting. This is the kind of tiny home that feels alive, like it belongs in nature. Park it in a forest, beside a lake, or even in a quiet city corner, and it blends in beautifully. Now open the door, and this is where the magic really starts. The interior is fully wood-finished, creating a cabin-like atmosphere that feels cozy the second you step in. The walls, shelves, and panels are all wrapped in natural wood tones, making the space feel warm instead of cramped. Soft ambient lighting is placed perfectly, so even at night, the interior feels peaceful rather than tight. Straight ahead is the sleeping area, and honestly, it feels more like a boutique hotel room than a camper. The bed is positioned smartly to maximize space, with built-in wooden shelves around it for books, plants, or personal items. You're not sleeping on a folding mattress. This is a proper, comfortable bed designed for real living. Next to the bed, there's clever storage everywhere. Underbed compartments, wall-mounted shelves, and hidden cabinets make sure nothing feels cluttered. Every inch has a purpose, and yet it never feels overwhelming. The kitchenette is compact, but surprisingly functional. You get a small countertop, sink, storage cabinets, and space for a portable stove or induction cooktop. This is perfect for simple meals, morning coffee, or late-night snacks under warm lighting. Cooking here feels calm, not rushed, like you're actually enjoying the process. One of the most impressive parts is how open the interior feels. Large rounded windows on both sides let natural light flood in during the day. At night, soft lamps create a relaxing glow that makes the wooden interior feel even more luxurious. This tiny home is designed mainly for solo travelers or couples who want freedom without complexity. It's easy to drive, easy to park, and doesn't require massive fuel costs like traditional RVs. That's where the tricycle design really shines. Lightweight, stable, and city-friendly. Now let's talk about the part everyone is curious about, the price. The estimated price of the 2026 wooden tiny home on wheels ranges between $18,000 to $25,000, depending on customization, materials, and interior upgrades. Compared to rent, apartments, or large RVs costing over $60,000, this is insanely affordable. You're basically getting a moving wooden home for less than a year's rent in many cities. And think about what you're saving. No rent, no long-term bills, no fixed location. Just freedom. This isn't just a camper, it's a lifestyle choice, a slower life, a simpler life. The 2026 wooden tiny home on wheels proves that you don't need a massive house to live comfortably. Sometimes, a small space with smart design and warm materials is all you need to feel truly at home. And once you imagine yourself inside, it's really hard to go back to normal living.